everyone, if you are new to my channel, this is recipe channel. Today we are going to make delicious brown rice flakes recipe. It's breakfast recipe, it's quick recipe. So let's make it. Let's see the ingredients. We are going to require 1 cup brown rice flakes, 4 tablespoon water, 1 red onion, 1 green chilli, 1 lemon, 1 stack of curry leaves, 2 stacks of coriander leaves, 2 tablespoon oil, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, as well as 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds and 1/4 teaspoon salt and a pinch of sugar. Let's start it. First we have to wash the brown rice flakes 2 times and strain it. Let's chop chilli. This 1 chilli, just chop it like this. Don't want this stalk, throw it. Let's chop an onion. So we have chopped an onion as well as lemon, coriander, and here are curry leaves and green chilli. Let's start our recipe now. Take 2 tablespoons of oil in big pan or kadhai. Let's heat it and add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds in it. Let it splutter. It has spluttered now. Let's add chopped onion. Add 1 green chilli chopped. Add few curry leaves in it. Mix it. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Let's add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder in it. After 2 minutes, our onion has cooked. Now let's add washed brown rice flakes, 1 cup of it. Let's mix it. Now add 4 tablespoons of water in it. 4 tablespoons of water in it. Let's mix it. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it. Now add fresh chopped coriander leaves in it. Add pinch of sugar. Cover with the lid and let it cook for another 2 minutes on steam. After 2 minutes, let's add half lemon juice in it. Half lemon juice. It gives a nice taste. Mix it. Our hot brown rice flakes breakfast recipe is ready to serve. We have garnished it with coriander leaves. So our hot brown rice flakes is ready. It's breakfast recipe. Check the descriptions. Try my paneer chilli pasta, that is cottage cheese pasta recipe too. It's link in the description box. Please check it out and subscribe to my channel. Stay positive. You can do it. In my next video.